I'm about to reveal how to make any woman genuinely yearn for you, even if she seems indifferent at first. As Bruce Lee once said, the key to immortality is first living a life worth remembering. This profound quote underscores the essence of making a lasting impression, which is precisely our topic today. I'll unveil 5 compelling secrets that will make any woman long for you. To make a woman truly miss you, you must offer something exceptional, something she can't find elsewhere. Whether you're in a relationship or just starting to connect, these tips will ensure you leave an indelible mark. Let's embark on this journey. Number 1. Cease contact. Listen, my friend, here's the hard truth. Women are naturally inclined to pursue those who elude them. They are drawn to the chase, and the reverse is equally true. The more you pursue, the more they lose interest. Stop sharing every detail of your day with her. Stop being constantly available for trivial chats. Put your phone down and establish some distance. As Marcus Aurelius wisely said, the more we value things outside our control, the less control we have. By not constantly communicating and giving her space, you allow her mind to wander and her curiosity to grow. She will begin to wonder about your activities, and in her imagination, you become more intriguing. Imagine her thinking about you and wondering why she hasn't heard from you. This absence can lead her to consider the possibility of you spending time with other women, sparking jealousy and increasing her interest in you. By distancing yourself, you convey that you are self-sufficient and do not rely on her for your happiness. This independence is attractive because it shows you are a whole person on your own. If you are always available and she feels she has you under her control, her interest will inevitably wane. This principle is a key Stoic life lesson. Maintain your autonomy and do not place your happiness solely in the hands of others. The effectiveness of the no-contact rule lies in its ability to simulate a form of rejection. When a woman sees that you can thrive without her, she realizes she is an option in your life, not a necessity. This realization paradoxically makes her desire you more because it triggers the psychological response associated with motivation and reward. As Epictetus wisely noted, it is not what happens to you but how you react to it that matters. By stepping back, you evoke a sense of longing and appreciation in her. In modern life, it's crucial to understand the dynamics of attraction and relationships. By embodying Stoic principles such as self-control, independence, and emotional resilience, you can navigate these dynamics more effectively. Show that you are capable and content on your own. This authenticity is what ultimately draws others to you. What is Stoicism if not a guide to living a balanced and virtuous life, even in matters of the heart? By maintaining a degree of distance and focusing on your own growth and well-being, you not only become more desirable, but also more grounded and resilient. This balance is key in any relationship, ensuring that both partners feel valued and appreciated. So take these Stoic life lessons to heart and let them guide you towards a more harmonious and fulfilling love life. Number 2, resist her attention bait. If you want a woman to miss you intensely, even if she seems disinterested, adopting a Stoic mindset is essential. As Epictetus wisely said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. When a woman realizes she hasn't heard from you, she might set subtle traps to grab your attention indirectly. This age-old tactic is now amplified by social media, where she might post stunning pictures or share subliminal status messages meant to catch your eye and elicit a response. These posts are crafted with you in mind, aiming to showcase that she's having a great time without you, even if it's not true. This is where your Stoic resolve becomes crucial. Do not engage. Do not like her photos or comment on her posts. By ignoring her attempts for validation, you maintain control and exhibit the strength of a true Stoic. As Marcus Aurelius once said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." By not reacting, you avoid playing into her game, which will unsettle her, making her question her actions and ultimately miss you more. Picture her waiting anxiously, checking to see if you've acknowledged her online presence. When she sees that you haven't, it unsettles her and makes her wonder why. This silence on your part creates a powerful psychological effect, making her crave your attention more than before. This isn't about manipulation, but about demonstrating self-discipline and control, which are hallmarks of the wise Stoic approach. By focusing on your own growth and interests, you naturally become more attractive as you are not swayed by external validation. Your Stoic demeanor reflects strength and independence, qualities that are inherently attractive. Consider how this tactic mirrors the broader Stoic philosophy in your life. How can emotional discipline and control benefit other areas of your life? Reflect on these questions and see how adopting a Stoic mindset can transform your interactions and relationships, ensuring that you remain the master of your emotions and actions. Living according to Stoic principles means embodying strength and wisdom, making you irresistible not just to women, but in all aspects of life. How often do you find yourself seeking validation from others? What steps can you take to build your self-reliance and inner strength? Remember, the goal is not to play games, but to develop a profound sense of self-control and emotional intelligence. By embracing the wise Stoic approach, you cultivate an aura of confidence and serenity, which naturally draws others to you. This Stoic mindset will not only help you in romantic pursuits, but will also enhance your overall well-being, making you a stronger, more resilient individual. Number 3, show her you're still thriving. When a woman starts missing you, she'll be curious about your activities. If she discovers something intriguing, she'll feel compelled to reconnect. On the other hand, if you seem desperate or dull, she'll keep her distance. Here's where the strategy comes into play. When a woman misses you, the first place she'll likely check is your social media. If she logs on and sees little to no updates from you, she'll assume you're not doing much with your life. People often believe that if you didn't post it on social media, it didn't happen. It's a quirk of the modern era. But to succeed with women, you need to leverage this by appearing interesting and active. Post your successes and fun times on social media. Avoid posting about troubles or mundane things. This doesn't have to be done in a boastful or arrogant way. Even if you don't have significant wins, sharing pleasant aspects of your life shows that you're thriving and enjoying yourself. This will remind her of what she's missing out on. Women love being part of a man's life events because it makes them feel included in his journey. Now, let's delve deeper into how you can authentically use Stoic principles to make her miss you. Stoicism teaches us to maintain our composure and focus on our own happiness. When you embody these principles, you become someone she wants to be around. Imagine you're out with friends, genuinely enjoying your time. You post a picture of you all laughing, perhaps with a caption about gratitude. This isn't just for show. You're genuinely living the Stoic philosophy of finding joy in the present. She sees this and realizes you're not pining for her, you're thriving, and that makes you irresistible. Picture this. You're at a friend's wedding, everyone's having a great time, and you're fully present, enjoying every moment. You share a photo with a heartfelt caption about the beauty of love and friendship. She sees this and feels a pang of longing, not because you're trying to make her jealous, but because you're authentically happy, embodying Stoic happiness. She starts to miss being part of those joyous moments with you. Think about how often you check social media to see what others are doing. Now flip that around. If someone you cared about wasn't posting, wouldn't you wonder what they're up to? The key lesson here is to live your life with purpose and joy. Share moments that reflect your Stoic happiness. This not only makes you more attractive, but also cultivates a sense of fulfillment and peace within yourself. Remember, Stoicism is about finding contentment and resilience in the present moment. When you genuinely embrace this, others will naturally be drawn to you. So go ahead and post that picture of your hiking trip, the book you just finished, or the sunset you enjoyed. Let her see the vibrant, Stoic life you're living, and she'll realize she's missing out on something truly special. Number 4, evoke jealousy. Have you ever wondered how to make a woman miss you deeply, even if she initially seems uninterested? Today, we're delving into the subtle art of evoking longing through the timeless wisdom of Stoic life lessons, transforming everyday interactions into powerful connections. To capture a woman's attention, invoking a sense of jealousy can be a potent strategy. When a woman experiences jealousy, she is likely to invest more effort into winning your attention and time, fearing that another might take her place. This approach doesn't require you to date or converse with someone else explicitly. Instead, it can be as simple as posting a picture with friends where another woman is present. If this woman appears close to you in the photo, it enhances the effect. It's crucial to tag this woman in your pictures because she will undoubtedly notice and likely investigate her profile, driven by curiosity and a desire to assess her as a potential rival. Whether this woman is a friend or something more, the uncertainty will stir her imagination, leading her to envision scenarios where you might be involved with someone else. Even something as innocuous as sharing a picture of your celebrity crush can elicit a form of jealousy. The underlying message here is clear. You are demonstrating that you have other options, which in reality, you do. Expanding on this, let's consider the Stoic philosopher Epictetus, who said, "It is not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." This quote encapsulates the essence of our strategy. By subtly showcasing that you are desirable and have other prospects, you are not manipulating but rather setting a scene where your value is evident. The woman's reaction to this perceived competition is what makes her want to be closer to you. This Stoic approach is about maintaining your composure and self-worth, projecting confidence that naturally attracts others. Furthermore, applying Stoic life lessons to modern relationships can guide you in maintaining a balanced perspective. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and let go of what we cannot. In this context, you control your actions and how you present yourself. By showing that you have a rich social life and are content, you signal that you are not dependent on her attention. This independence is incredibly attractive because it suggests that you are emotionally resilient and self-sufficient, traits that are universally appealing. Additionally, in today's digital age, social media plays a significant role in how we perceive and are perceived by others. Posting pictures that reflect a vibrant social life and tagging friends, including women, can subtly convey that you are sought after and have a fulfilling life. This can trigger a sense of urgency in her to secure her place in your life, driven by the fear of missing out, FOMO. But remember, this strategy should be employed with sincerity and not deceit. Your interactions and the portrayal of your life should be genuine. In conclusion, by understanding and applying these Stoic life lessons, you create an aura of desirability and independence that naturally draws others towards you. Whether she's not interested or just playing hard to get, these methods, grounded in the principles of Stoicism, can make any woman miss you badly. Embrace the philosophy of Stoicism, focusing on your inner strength and composure, and watch as it transforms your interactions and relationships. Remember, it's about how you present your life authentically and confidently, creating an environment where she desires to be a part of it. Number 5. Give her an easy way to remember you. When you're chatting or hanging out with a lady, it's important to be engaging and participate in activities she enjoys. Adding a touch of humor and creating memorable moments with jokes or unique nicknames can make a significant impact. This isn't just a gimmick, it's rooted in the concept of associative memory, which effectively stimulates her mind to remember you fondly, even when you're not around. For instance, you might associate her with a character from her favorite TV series, crafting lighthearted jokes around it. This emotional connection ensures that whenever she watches the show, she thinks of you. Alternatively, giving her a unique yet relevant nickname can have a powerful effect. Make sure the nickname is significant to her and common enough that she encounters it regularly. It could be based on her favorite food, color, or TV show, linking everyday experiences to memories of you. Picture this. You're at a casual dinner, and you've nicknamed her Sunshine because of her radiant personality and love for sunny days. Every time she hears the word sunshine, whether in a song or a random conversation, she'll think of you and the enjoyable times you've shared. This tactic leverages Stoic happiness by fostering positive, lasting impressions without overdoing it. The beauty of Stoicism today lies in its practicality. By focusing on meaningful shared experiences, you create a bond that makes her miss you naturally. Let's dive into a story that illustrates this principle in action. Think of John, a dedicated professional, who recently met Sarah at a mutual friend's party. They discovered a shared love for hiking and comedy. John, wanting to leave a lasting impression, took Sarah on a hiking trip to her favorite trail. During the hike, he dubbed her Trailblazer because of her adventurous spirit. They shared laughs over silly hiking mishaps and bonded over their mutual love for stand-up comedy, quoting their favorite comedians throughout the journey. Weeks later, Sarah finds herself laughing at those same jokes and feeling nostalgic every time she sees a hiking trail. John's thoughtful nickname and their shared humor have etched fond memories in her mind, making her miss his presence. Now consider this. What activities or interests could you share with someone to create such memorable experiences? How can you weave Stoic happiness into your interactions, ensuring that the moments you create are cherished and missed? Reflect on the importance of shared experiences and their lasting impact. The lesson here is clear. By being genuinely interested, funny, and thoughtful, you can leave a positive, indelible mark on someone's life. This approach not only deepens your connection, but also aligns with the principles of Stoicism today, fostering meaningful, lasting bonds built on shared joy and mutual respect. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with these principles. How have they worked for you? What challenges have you faced? Share your comments below, and let's continue this discussion. Don't forget to join the channel and stay tuned for our next video. Thank you for being a part of the discussion. And always remember to embrace a Stoic approach to life.